The Galaxy S23 series is going official on February 1st later this year. It would be safe to imagine we are getting a heap of leaks in the coming days, and more will follow up on the release. Yesterday, we saw the Galaxy S23 Ultra leak in a hands-on video, some hands-on photos and pictures of the retail boxes. But today, here we have the first official unboxing video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. In this video, we can see the cream color of the S23 Ultra. That looks amazing. We have seen in yesterday's leak, the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone looks ultra premium in all of its colors, namely black, beige, green, and light pink, as well as the S Pen also matches colors, thanks to the painted top push button. Compared to current flagships, the retail box of the S23 Ultra shows the device in its original color. The source has shared another video showcasing the 100x zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, a vanity feature for sure, but still something that most people would want to use. It's now practically confirmed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra features 100x space zoom, thanks to optimized software and sensor enhancements for far better performance. The smartphone greatly vanishes, shakes even in such a far zoom-in state. What do you think about the 100x zoom of the S23 Ultra? Comment down below. The device looks pretty nice, with keeping the thickness the same as its predecessor even after 200 megapixel camera sensor's arrival. Also here we have some more hands-on photos of the S23 Ultra, with the courtesy of Alvin. It's also the cream color. It looks great, no doubt. What do you think? What do you think about today's video? Comment down below. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.